The E2 error code on your Costway Portable Air Conditioner is a specific diagnostic message that indicates a problem with an internal temperature sensor. This error specifically relates to the coil temperature sensor, which is a critical component that monitors the temperature of the evaporator coil inside your air conditioning unit. The sensor works by continuously sending temperature readings to the control board. When the control board receives an abnormal reading from this sensor, it triggers the E2 error code as a safety measure. Several factors can cause the E2 error to appear. The most common causes include a faulty temperature sensor, damaged wiring connections, or problems with the control board itself. Understanding what the E2 error means is the first step in resolving the issue. In the next section, we will cover the specific troubleshooting steps you can take to diagnose and fix this problem. Now we'll walk through the step-by-step troubleshooting process to fix the E2 error on your Costway air conditioner. First, check the temperature sensor's wiring harness for any damage or loose connections. Look for frayed wires, corrosion, or connections that have come loose. Next, gently clean the temperature sensor to remove any dust or debris that might be interfering with its operation. Use a soft brush or compressed air. Check if the drain pan is full of water. A full drain pan can trigger the E2 error. If it's full, empty it by removing the rubber plug at the bottom of the unit. Visually inspect the control board for contamination or physically damaged components. Look for burnt areas, corrosion, or loose components on the circuit board. Use a multimeter to measure the signal cable voltage between the signal wire and neutral. The voltage should fluctuate, indicating the sensor is sending a signal to the control board. Try resetting the unit by turning it off and unplugging it for several minutes. This can clear temporary error codes and allow the system to recalibrate. Regular maintenance prevents many issues. Clean the air filter every 2 weeks, place the unit on a flat surface, and keep air inlets and outlets clear of obstructions. If the E2 error persists after following these troubleshooting steps, contact a professional service agency. The issue may require component replacement or advanced diagnostics. The mode button is your primary control for selecting different operating functions. Press the mode button to cycle through all available options. Cooling mode maintains your desired temperature by removing heat from the room. Dehumidifying mode reduces moisture levels while providing gentle cooling. Fan mode circulates air without cooling, while auto mode automatically adjusts settings based on room conditions for optimal comfort. Use the up and down arrow buttons to set your desired temperature. The display will show your target temperature clearly. The fan button controls air circulation speed. Choose from high, medium, low, or auto settings to match your comfort preferences. The timer function allows you to schedule delayed start or automatic shut-off times. This helps save energy and ensures comfort when you need it. Modern DeLonghi units offer smart connectivity through Wi-Fi and smartphone apps. Control your air conditioner remotely, set schedules, and monitor energy usage. Regular maintenance ensures optimal performance and longevity. The most important task is cleaning the air filter weekly to maintain proper airflow. A clean filter improves air quality and energy efficiency. Check the exhaust hose regularly to ensure it remains unobstructed for proper heat removal. Many models include silent or sleep modes that reduce noise levels for nighttime use, while maintaining comfortable temperatures throughout the night.